Today was great. That's simply as that. Turning around, asking somebody, hey, can I do this? The teacher was even fantastic. She helped me with the techniques I'd never even heard of.
I am ready. I am ready.
These workshops are fantastic because they expose students to performers in the arts who are out there in the field, connected with industry, and students can see themselves in those careers of the future.
When you see someone who has that same passion as you and you learn from them how they got up to where they are now, it makes you start to think about that pathway that you would go on.
I think it inspired me a lot to give insight into my performance and the way that I perform.
These kinds of workshops are amazing. They give the students the opportunity to learn from professionals that MASC has curated.
I think it was a great opportunity for students to practice, for some of them, a brand new technique that they hadn't had a chance to work on before.
Being able to do one field trip where everybody kind of gets a little piece of what they want is amazing, and I stopped in on all of the workshops a couple of times, and just the presenters were fantastic.
I think it's a great opportunity to get to see different possibilities and to kind of see yourself in those possibilities and of what could happen in the future.